welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mathematics. Today's video is about harmonic progression. So what is HP, harmonic progression? So HP is defined as a sequence in which reciprocal of its terms are in AP. So what does it mean? That if your terms are this one in your HP, then its reciprocal are in AP. That means 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D in this way. So look, just if we take the reciprocal, then the sequence becomes A plus D, A plus 2D. So look, these terms are in AP definitely. So if this type of series we have, then it is called the harmonic progression. Its general term, how we will find out? Tn. So for this Tn, what we will do? We can have the first term 1 by A, second term 1 by A plus D in this way. So nth term should be 1 by A plus n minus 1D. So that if we have a harmonic progression, so at first you just find out its reciprocal so that you will find out the AP series. So now whatever the property for the AP series we know, everything we can apply over there. After applying that, we just take again the reciprocal of that to convert it into the HP again. So here we will find out that A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference of AP. Just look, this A and D, these are not the first term and the common difference for HP, but these are the common difference and the first term for the AP, arithmetic progression. Now just let me tell you that in whatever the book you searching for, there you will find out this Tn for HP, but nowhere you will find out Sn for HP, because in class 11-12 it is not included, HP is not included there, and in for higher classes also we will find out the summation of HP series, but not with a specific formula. I am providing you a specific formula here. Definitely this is not invented by me, but I am just trying to show you the formula. Its proof I will give you on some another video. So here what we can tell about Sn? Sn is equals to 1 upon D log base E. Remember, log base E we have considered here instead of log 10. Log 10 is the general log which is used, but here we use log E, which is the natural log, into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into D divided by 2a minus D. Just remember, here this D and A are A is the first term for the corresponding AP and D is the corresponding common difference of that AP, which is generated from the HP. Right now you just remember this formula only. How this formula will be derived, that I will give you in a video very shortly. So here the ln, again I am telling you, it is the natural log, and E value I hope you know, that is the Euler's constant actually, and its value is approximately 2.72. Now an example corresponding to the HP. So find the nth term of the following HP. The HP is 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, and it is going in this way. So the ninth term you should find out, hence find the sum of these 9 terms. So at first we should find out the corresponding AP from this given HP. So HP is this one, so its corresponding AP series is 3, 5, 7, just by taking the reciprocal of these terms, where A should be 3, which is the first term, D should be the common difference, which is definitely 2 here. So that An is what? An is A plus n minus 1 into D, that we know. So by simplification that we will find out it is 19. Therefore the ninth term for the HP is the reciprocal of 19, that is 1 by 19. Now our requirement is to find out the summation of these 9 terms. So Sn should be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 in this way up to it is 1 by 19. So the formula we know, it is 1 by D log E 2a plus 2n minus 1 into D divided by 2a minus D. So that if we substitute all those values, then we will have, we know that A is 3 and the D is 2. So accordingly if we substitute and simplify, then we will find out the value is 1.151. Just remember here, we will on the calculation we will find out log 10 base E. Its value we can find out from the log table and this value is 2.302. So that is from the log table we will find out this value. If you know how to find out the values from a log table, then it is okay, but if you don't know how to find out the values from the log table, then you just write me in the comment box. If you will require, then I definitely try to make a video on that how to use the log table to find out the different values. So definitely on request, write down in the comment box if you require that video, then definitely I will do for you. One more question from the HP. The question is, if A1, A2, A3 in this way AN are in HP, then prove that A1, A2 plus A2, A3 in this way AN minus 1 AN is equals to N minus 1 into A1 AN. So how to find it out? It is given that these are in HP. So its corresponding AP we should find at first, because I told you that in HP at first we should find out the corresponding AP series. After that we proceed for any type of solution. So this one is its corresponding AP. So here 1 by A1 is the first term. So the common difference is what? It is the difference between any two consecutive terms. So that we will find out from here 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1. That is the common difference. Similarly, 1 by A3 minus 1 by A2, 1 by A4 minus 1 by A3, all these are same, and this is the common difference D we can say. So from this first one, we will find out that A1 minus A2 is equals to A1 A2 into D. Similarly, A2 minus A3, from here we will find out D into A2 A3, and in this way we will find out that AN minus 1 minus AN is equals to D into AN minus 1 into AN. Now if we add all these terms, then we will find out this addition is equals to D into this one. So just look, if we open up the brackets, then all these A2 cancels, A3 cancels, only remaining thing is here is A1 and AN. So that after simplification we will find out A1 minus AN is equals to D into this entire term. Now 1 upon A1, that is the nth term from the AP. So that its value is 1 by A1 plus N minus 1 into D. D is the common difference. Therefore, we can write 1 by AN, this term we will take in this side. So it is minus of 1 upon A1 is equals to N minus 1 into D. On simplification, we will find out A1 minus AN is equals to N minus 1 into D into A1 AN. Therefore, putting the value of A1 minus AN from this one in the equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is this one. So if we substitute here this value, then what we will find out from here? It is N minus 1 D into A1 AN is equals to this entire thing. So now D cancel out. So that we can write from here N minus 1 into A1 AN is equals to this entire thing. So which is our required proof? Just look at the question. So we are supposed to prove the same thing. So hence we prove. One more question is, if A1 A3 divided by A1 A4 is equals to A2 plus A3 divided by A1 plus A4 is equals to 3 into A2 minus A3 divided by A1 minus A4. Then prove that, this one is the relationship given. Then prove that A1, A2, A3, A4, these are in HP, harmonic progression. So how to prove that? So for that, at first we start with these first two ratios. These two ratios we can rewrite in this format. We just write here A2 plus A3 here. So with that, we just take A2, A3 and A1, A4 taken in this side, so that we will find out this ratio. So now if we separate them, then we will find out 1 upon A4 plus 1 upon A1 is equals to 1 upon A3 plus 1 upon A2. Now if we interchange the side, then we will find out 1 by A4 minus of 1 by A3 is equals to 1 by A2 minus of 1 by A1. That we write as equation number 1. Now from the third ratio and the first ratio, this one, if again we simplify, then we will find out here 3 into 1 upon A3 minus 1 upon A2 is equals to 1 upon A4 minus of 1 upon A1. That is our equation number 2. Now it is just observe here that in the first equation 1 upon A4, this is the fourth term, and 1 upon A3, this is the third term of the AP. If A1, A2, A3, A4 are in HP, then these are their corresponding APs. So the difference between this one and second term and first one, difference between these two are same. So we can say this is D. Similarly, here we will find out that difference between A3, A2, 3 times of this one is equals to difference between this one. So I hope you can understand. Just I am giving you these 4 points. Okay. So if these 4 points are 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 and 1 by A4, then if the difference between this one is D, difference between these two are D, and the difference between these are D, then definitely if we want to find out the difference between these two, then it is 3D, na? So the same way this relationship here. So from here it is very much clear that 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1 is equals to 1 by A3 minus 1 by A2 is equals to 1 by A4 minus 1 by A3. So that we can say 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 and 1 by A4 are in AP. And as these are in AP, then they are reciprocals, that is A1, A2, A3, A4, these are in HP. So I hope you understand this proof. Okay, one more. If if third, sixth and last term of a HP are 1/3, 1/5 and 3 upon 203 respectively, then find the number of terms in HP. What is given here? The third term is 1 by 3, sixth term is 1 by 5 and the nth term is 3 upon 203. So that its reciprocals, that is A3 dash is 3, A6 dash is 5 and AN dash is 203 by 3. So these are definitely in AP, A3 dash, A6 dash, AN dash. These are in AP as A3, A6, AN are in HP. So that as it is the third term, sixth term and nth term, so from the term formula we can write it as the first term plus 3 minus 1 into D is equals to 3. Likewise, first term plus 6 minus 1 into D is equals to 5 and this is for the nth term. On simplification, we will find out this 3. So now solving 1 and 2, what we will get if we solve these two, we will find out A1 and D. So likewise, if we solve these two, then we will find out from here D is equals to 2 upon 3. And if we substitute this value in the first equation, then we will find out A1 dash is 5 by 3. So now from 3, what we will do? In the 3, we will find out the equation is A1 dash plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 203 by 3. We have now A1 dash and D. If we substitute these two values, then we will find out here 5 by 3 plus N minus 1 into 2 by 3 is equals to this one. On simplification, we will find out N is equals to 100. So the number of terms in the HP is 100. This is your answer. So we have done so many questions for HP. Now one question for you. Solve by yourself and keep the answer in the comment box. And the question is, find 100 for the following progression. 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 11 in this way. This progression is given, not says that this is AP, GP or HP. So you at first define that the progression is of what kind and accordingly you should find out 100. That is your question. Now one more property for HP I am going to give you. That one as a question also you can treat or as a property also you can treat. So you just verify this property or solve this one by yourself. And the property is, if mth term of an HP is N and nth term of the HP is M, then find the term M plus nth term. So you should find out M plus nth term where the mth term is given and the nth term is given, and your given sequence is an HP sequence. So I hope you can able to find out, because this same type of question we will do in the AP also. If you have any difficulty, then you can just go through the video on AP. There you have the same type of question. After that you come back to this video and solve this question, and this answer also you should write in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed the video and you understand the HP. Till that we have completed what is AP, what is HP, what is GP. Now in the next video we will do the AM, GM, HM, that means arithmetic mean, geometric mean and the harmonic mean. till in our videos we have not discussed anywhere this arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean, because these three have the special importance. So that we will discuss on our upcoming videos. Stay tuned and stay happy and healthy. Thank you all till that. Have a nice day.